Hey out there, how you guys doing? This is a tutorial on hip airplanes, which is a movement to work on mobilization of your hip joint here, where the femur joins your pelvis in the ball and socket joint, and that helps to use all the muscles that are connected to that efficiently, so that when you do that, when you're doing any kind of sport where you're throwing, running, walking, punching, etc., your hip is rotating well and you're using the right areas, and you don't end up compensating and hurting your knee or your back are two common ones. So, この関節を、正しい感じで使うように、ヒップエアプレーンという、この骨がこの関節のところでどうやって回す。So, to clear up, a lot of people have a hard time with this, including myself. So, grab the wall. ちゃんと壁を持ちやりましょう。So don't try to just stand and balance. It's much harder and you might not be doing it correctly. Grab the wall. Try to stick your leg straight out. この足まっすぐで膝ちょっとだけベンドして。So I'm going to focus on this hip right here. So the point is, I'm going to turn out こんな感じで and come back in. Turn this way こんな感じ and back in. I'll show you on the other side. Stick the leg out. Turn out, open up. This is the only part that's moving. ここだけ動いてる。他には何も動いてない。So don't move your leg around. Just keep it there. この足このまま動かない。ここだけ動く。Just turn out, open up the hip, open して、close して。And don't let your knee move. Don't let your knee wobble around. Open, close. Good luck. Enjoy.